Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You are looking at the Yamaha Poly Windshield kit for the all-new X2 and X4. I wanted to show you a little bit about this windshield and do a walk around. We've had a few requests wondering how this windshield fits and how the wraparound works. One thing to note on this windshield, it is very simple installation. The top and bottom gaskets, as you can see here, are already pre-installed from Yamaha. So that's nice. All you'll need to do is install the new brackets on here. This is a new redesign from what you guys have seen on the Vikings. It's a little bit narrower. The Viking ones were about double the width, that are a little bit narrower on here. Very simple operation. All four corners here are going to come off the same way. You're basically going to take the clamshell it open, and you'll be able to pop the windshield off with ease. Very easy to take on and off. The part number for this windshield kit is BG4-F83J0-V0. What I do like about this windshield, it is a very, very tight fit on the top, as you can see, and along that channel on the bottom. Yamaha's done a great job with the accessories for the X2 and the X4. You can see, if you look close there, there's kind of a channel that this windshield will go up against. You do have your rain gutter feature there on top of the roof as well, so it's going to pull all the moisture and down over the side so it doesn't go in your lap. Great product from Yamaha. Give us a call, 435-427-3338, if you'd like to learn more or order yours today. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.